Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the tomato seafood soup recipe in Heartopia call of Whales event and the important trick to make sure you don't fail. So to make you successfully unlock this recipe, there's one important thing to remember. When you are cooking this recipe for the first time to unlock it, make sure you use the real ingredients required by the recipe. First, just go to your tidal stove like this. Make sure you have this stove because to cook this event recipe you need this special stove, and if you don't know how to craft it yet, you can just check my tutorial in my Heartopia playlist, and then after that just open this recipe and then choose the tomato seafood soup. You can get this recipe from NPC Masimo, and then in here you need the common prawn and then tomato and then glasswort and wheat. For the tomato and wheat, you can get it from the gardening hobby, and for the glasswort, you can collect it at the Whalefall Canyon map. And for this common prawn, you can fish it at the East Sea. And then in here, make sure don't replace any of them with universal ingredients if you want to unlock it for the first time. So before cooking, make sure you already have all the actual ingredients on here. And if you are missing one, just gather it first before you start cooking. Like for example, in here I ran out of my common prawn, so you need to cut this common prawn first. So in here, universal ingredients can be used when you have already unlocked the recipe and simply want to cook it again without collecting the ingredients manually. But the rule in here is simple if you want to unlock it for the first time. For the first time, unlock equals real ingredients only. So once the tomato seafood recipe is successful, and then after the tomato seafood recipe is successfully unlocked, you can use universal ingredients whenever you run out of the real ones. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.